Okay, and what we're gonna do is do what we used to do all the time. But in the meantime, let's see 1, 2. Okay, so we are here, right? So let's see. All right. So we are here, and we can see. So let's try this one and see how it's gonna look like. Okay, so it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So come here and we'll kill this, that, and that's what we see. Okay, so before we waste time, I don't want us to waste so much time this time around. So let's set the ball rolling. This is what we have. This is what we have, friends. This is what we have. On the screen, as you saw earlier, but the question given to us was find a solution to 9 over 5 multiplied by the sum of A and B if this condition, the third of A multiplied by A and the third of B multiplied by B is equals to 183. Then the third of A multiplied by B and the third of B multiplied by A is equals to 182. Then we must be able to solve this. We must be able to compute that. So that is what we have at the moment. All right. So this is our solution. This is how we're going to go about it. Let's look at how I solved it. In the first place, as you can see, the set values, the set A and B, I decided to put X and Y to be the substituent. So we say the set of A, let set of A to be equal to X, and the set of B is equal to Y. So when we simplify, then we are going to get A is equal to X squared and B is equal to Y squared. Now, because we have been able to do that, if I decide to replace the A over here, that is going to be X squared. So that's what I put over here. Okay, X squared. Okay, and that of the what's the name? Instead of A will be X. So through that, I managed to substitute all the respective values into the respective equation. I was able to generate this equation, which I've highlighted golden. Now, further substitution gave us X cubed plus Y cubed to be equal to 183. And the same way, the second equation, which is X multiplied by Y squared multiplied by X, in order of merit, was simplified, that we have XY squared plus X squared Y is equal to 182. So now we have equation 3 and equation 4 from this equation. Okay, friends, this is not anything new. Now we know, since we have this condition, so we can say that the summation of A and B will be equals to what? X squared plus Y squared. So that is what I wrote it down here. So summation of A plus B is equals to X squared plus Y squared. Then I decided to call it equation 5. Now, this X cubed plus Y cubed, which is equals to 183, we all know if you do binomial expansion using the Pascal, you realize that we have X cubed plus Y cubed plus 3X times Y squared plus 3X squared Y. Friends, it's not anything new. Okay? It's not anything new at all. So you see, we expanded this, and once again, from here, we decided to do factorization. Okay, so look at the factorization over here. We'll pull the 3 out of the whole expression. And that, we know that from equation 4, this whole expression is equal to 182. So by substitution, you see, by substitution from here, 183 over here, from x cubed plus y cubed, let's go to 183. Let me see, what is it? X cubed plus y cubed. It goes to 183. 183. And so when I put this one into the equation, I am going to get that. Okay? This, you see the bottom one is that, 182. So I put 182 here. And I know x cubed plus y cubed is also 183 from the first equation, this. So then my further simplification gives me 183 plus 3 into bracket times 1 and 182. When I simplified it, I had 729. Friends, it's becoming easier. So therefore, x plus y cubed is equal to 9 cubed. For sure, if you understand the principle of indices, you know this will cancel that. So in a nutshell, the equation now becomes x plus y is equal to 9. So I say from the equation xy squared plus x squared y is equal to 182. When I further simplify it, I pull the xy out, okay, I get xy into bracket x plus y equals to 182. So I say from equation 6, and which one is equation 6? Let's see. This is equation 6. I know wherever I see x plus y will be equals to 9. Okay, friends, you got to follow me. You see this? Whenever I see x plus y is equals to 9, so I'm going to put the x plus y is equals to 9 wherever I see that. So I came down here, you see, then I put 9 in place of x plus y. Then I can confidently say that x times y into bracket times 9 is equal to 180. Now, we know from the change of subject, that if you have xy times 9 is equal to 82, 182, then I say xy is equal to 182 divided by 9. Well, please don't forget, in our normal algebra, the expansion of y and x, when you expand them, you are going to get x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. Now, don't forget, the earlier we saw the x plus y is 9. You see? So I've replaced the 9 here, meaning 9 squared is equal to the whole expression. Now, xy, earlier, we calculated it to be 182 divided by 9. So all what I've done is to substitute that into the respective variable. Now, after further simplification and the calculation, I now arrive into conclusion which one, the one I've highlighted blue. That's a x squared plus y squared is equal to 365 divided by 9. Then, brother, or brothers and sisters, I know there's only one guy, two guys here, that's the brothers or whatever. So now it's x squared plus y squared is equal to 365 divided by 9. Ladies, you are many here. Now you can see that earlier we substituted a and b to be x squared and y squared. So the summation of the two, we can say that now that gives us 365 divided by 9. What earlier the question says, we should solve this. Okay, this was the main quest that were demanded to solve. So 9 divided by 5 multiplied by a plus b. What is that? Now, since we know a plus b to be 365 divided by 9, when I substituted this into the expression, the quest, then we knew that 9 will cancel each other. So then, in the field, our final answer became 365 divided by 5. When we fractionalize this, we sort it out, our answer is 73. Friends, so you see that it's not all that difficult. All what we did is we did a substitution that we learned earlier on in the primary or foundation mathematics. Okay, and through substitution, we were able to simplify. So our simplification gives us x cubed plus y cubed which is equals to 182. Then the x times y squared plus x squared times y equals 182. 83 and 182. So then the summation of a and b, we saw that is x squared plus y squared. Then we use binomial expansion. This is all application of mathematics. As you can see, we learn from binomial expansion that we have x cubed plus y cubed. If we use the Pascal, okay, what do we do? Let's do it this way for us to understand. So with a Pascal, okay, if we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. So you see this one is 1, 3, 3, 1. So that gave us that. So now we got to know that the x plus y cubed is given like that. Then we did further substitution, okay, from what we saw earlier. Then we saw that x cubed plus y cubed is always 183 plus that. And through that, we ended up having x plus y to be equals to 9. Now we say from the equation, as you can see over here, yeah, this equation s y squared plus x squared y, earlier, yeah, we named it as what? Equation, look at that. Equation 4. Have you seen it? So we can say from equation 4, yeah, from equation 4, we have this. Okay, so we did our substitution, and eventually we know that a plus b is equal to 365 divided by 9. And when we substituted, that gave us a solution. Friends, I would advise you to take your time and look at the solution. But if it baffles you once again, as some may say, then we have to find a means to sort it out again. Okay, so that is what we're going to look at again. And next time we meet again, that's what we're going to see and sort it out for everybody to understand. Because it's good for everybody to understand it in a systematical sense. Okay, so you take your time, you have a look at it, and you go with it. I don't think it's anything difficult. If you take your time and you go step by step, you'll be able to understand the solution. Well, let me know if it still baffles you, then we'll take it from another angle. Well, without wasting time, I'll say please subscribe and tell your friends the good things that's happening over here. So we'll meet again. Have a lovely time. Bye. This is Deep Vadis.